Hi, John here from Infection Prevention Ireland. In this video I want to talk about TECcare Ultra, when you receive it and how to set it up and how to use your sprayer. So when TECcare Ultra arrives, it arrives in a box like this, and in this box it contains two 5-litre drums. Now when you receive the box, it's going to feel very light. You are expecting to receive 10 litres, so you would expect it to be heavier. So don't panic. When you open up the box, you see there are the two 5-litre drums here. Okay, so you will see that each drum has 200 millilitres of the TECcare Ultra concentrate. So to make that usable, all you do is you take off the lid, put it underneath the tap, and you fill it up to the mark on the label. Now you have 200 millilitres diluted with 5,000 millilitres of water. So that's ready to use then. Put it into your sprayer and work away. So in terms of what TECcare Ultra is, TECcare Ultra is a highly potent sporicidal disinfectant. It has a log kill of 6. It is used to bring everything back to ground zero in terms of pathogens and viruses. So if you're going to spray a premises for the first time or a room for the first time, use TECcare Ultra and it will bring everything back to ground zero. So that's it for now in terms of TECcare Ultra. Thank you.